This is a demonstration video. I have one NuTone IS449WH Patio Station. This station began life as an indoor unit, and we converted it into a proper outdoor patio station in our own shop, and I will link in a video that you can watch to see how we do that. The faceplate and the buttons and the knob have all been re-whitened, so they are bright white. The speaker cone was treated with the wet look to make it for outdoor use. It makes it waterproof and weather resistant. We've conformally coated the switchboard assembly to seal it against moisture so it doesn't corrode, and we've made our own in-house weather seal gasket to keep rain and wind and water off the switches. This does not include the surface mounting base. It's only what you see here. IS449 whites were used with the IM and IMA 4406 systems, which were in production from 1996 through about the end of 2008. There'll be a banner right here that shows you how to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell or on the wheel, put in your email address, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. And that's a really good way to keep up on the new items and the new products that we show in this playlist, which are all for sale. That's all for today. See you on the next video.